What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Sorry.
I got it on.
You want to explain what we're doing today?
Yeah.
Steering wheel?
It's time. And we got the wheel hub and the quick release. Does not ding, unfortunately. They're out of stock.
Messed up on that one big time.
Yeah, no, they're out of stock. This looks like the hub.
Oh, looks nice, man.
It does. Ooh, a little cover on it. Oh, that's nice. This is the hub. You guys want to see the wheel? Obviously, quick release. This is a nice one. It's oh yeah. Sparco. Center caps for the horn that we will not be using.
Maybe.
You wanna hold that, Gabe?
I got it right here.
Put it down on the floor. Oh, look at this bad boy.
Oh, and it's fucking suede?
Suede. Look at this bad boy.
Dude, that looks fucking good.
Ooh.
That actually looks really good.
Right?
Like we said earlier, doing the steering wheel. It's hot. It's currently, by the way, it's hot. We're sitting in the car with the AC on.
Yeah.
Probably not the smartest thing to do, but
We're
honestly, I don't care.
We're just kind of cooling down the car because we have to unplug. The car can't be on when you do this.
No.
We have to unplug the battery. That way, none of us get a concussion from the airbag going off. But I wanted to. The car's been sitting for like the whole day in the sun.
And it's black car.
And it's a black car, and the windows are tinted. No, they're not tinted, so all the sun's coming in. And then I just wanted to cool down the car a little bit before we start sweating in here.
It's hot, dude.
Yeah. So on both sides, there's two little clips that you just kind of pop out with your handy dandy screwdriver, pocket screwdriver, things to snap on. So there's two like pins that you like push. So it looks like this, just super tiny in there, and you stick the screwdriver in and you push it on both sides, and it pops the airbag out. I brought two because I don't know if this one's long enough, so fuck it. What? It doesn't have the pins.
What is this one?
There's a socket. There's a bolt right here.
What?
Yeah.
For some reason,
Oh wow.
For some reason, Nissan, I don't know if you guys can see, they have the safety little pin in the center. Yeah, we thought it was a socket. We tried every socket.
It's 30 minutes later, by the way.
Yeah, 30 minutes later, I was trying to bang out the center piece because you can do them on smaller ones. I used to do it when I used to build Xbox controllers back in the day.
Flathead and a hammer.
Didn't work. It bent one of them. So we bought the proper tools.
Crazy what you can do when you have
$30 in damn Torx bits.
And then it ended up taking us 30 seconds.
Yeah, literally 30 seconds.
Yeah, so we go through this struggle so that way you guys don't have to.
So now they should pop right in. Go ahead and film for me, buddy. I got you. So now it should pop right out. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that.
Ooh.
I've never actually. You've popped these off before, right?
Yeah.
You want to pop these off? I've never done them.
Sure.
Well, actually, you show me. How do I do it? You just do it here. By the way, guys, I have a bad habit of losing tools.
Dude,
and finding them later.
He just throws. Go show the floor.
No, I'm good.
Because all the tools are scattered right there. I'll be honest. I've never done it. Hold on. Get under here and lift it. There we go.
Oh, easy. Oh, okay, that makes sense.
It was kind of similar, the other one, but it wasn't this hard, and it wasn't over here.
Hey, slow down, buddy. Neighborhood.
There's a school across the street. The hell? The hell, man?
What, did I bend it?
No, just shit don't fit in this one. There we go, baby. And now we hook this up to a battery and put it under a pillow or something.
I'm down to do it to Joey or Vic.
We'll save this. So now we just have this one bolt right here.
Do you have 15 or 17?
I'm pretty sure it's a 17.
Try 19.
A 19? It's way too big. It's a 19.
Oh, dude, snap on for the win.
Okay. It's got some power to it, man.
Oh yeah, dude, snap on. Trust me.
You just gonna come off? So usually people fucking boom, 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 and loosen it up.
Wow, that's on there. You want to move the seat back a little bit? Or no?
It's all the way back, man.
Oh shit. Well, it's power's
The
off.
battery's disconnected.
I was talking about the back piece.
Okay. Oh shit!
Jesus, bro.
Oh shit!
This is what happens when you're not natty. I don't know if you want to keep the horn. I'd keep it just to fuck it with it. Just keep it.
Why?
Why not?
I never use it.
Have every function except for volume and stuff.
I never use it.
It'd be cool to have the horn, man.
In a drift car?
Yeah.
So I can honk while I'm fucking drifting?
Yeah. So if you get excited, just beep, 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 beep.
Alright, man. What do you got to disconnect for the
I don't know. I've never done one.
Motherfuckers. I thought you knew.
Alright, so we got this new tripod, guys. We're not going to keep the horn. We're just going to delete it.
Like I said from the beginning.
Because he has all the fancy controls on the steering wheel.
There's just a lot.
I don't feel like dealing with it. Do you feel like dealing with it?
No.
No, neither do I.
We start with the wheel hub, yes?
Yeah, alrighty. So, now let's take you guys off of here.
I just gotta make sure this shit stays straight. Okay.
Alright, do you have the nut?
Just like that, right? And I just,
Zapper on.
give her a little...
Couple Ugga Duggas. Keep going, keep going.
You see
Gauges.
I think we're good.
Alright, so we got main of it on. Right there.
This was very time consuming because it was very tiny.
Where'd you put the Allen?
I don't know.
Because I need it right now.
That's what I was looking for. So tiny that we lost it. It's not down there somewhere?
No.
What up?
Thought you bought a truck. I'm like,
Down here somewhere?
did you really lose it?
Dude.
Oh, it's on your lap. Right there.
My fat was covering it.
Anyways, so we got the main part on.
Very time consuming. Cause of this tiny ass little Allen wrench. Which I'm sure I have this size in a socket and I could have just went and go get it, but
Probably is, whatever. So now all we gotta do is mainly put the hub on.
no, the hub's
quick
on.
release. The quick release. To the steering wheel.
Yeah.
And we'll be done. Yeah?
Hopefully if it snaps in, because for some reason when we're
snapping in right.
when we're testing it before we put it on, I don't know, it wasn't locking. So maybe the pressure from the steering wheel when we push it will make it lock. So so Gabe's gonna go ahead and connect the steering wheel to the quick release.
Alrighty.
It's good for the connection, just
should be fine.
Yeah.
So got the steering wheel together. I'm gonna put the center cap in right now. It's all tight now, so let's see what she looks like. How does she feel? Do it again.
Dude.
Ooh. Feel good?
That's nice. That's nice. I need the
Center cap, which I actually have
behind you.
behind me. Oh yeah, they're behind me.
Put the black one in already?
Nope, not yet. We'll put that on when it's in.
Does it matter though?
If you can see, we didn't put the centerpiece in because honestly, one, we're not retaining the horn.
And it looks ugly.
And it looks ugly. That actually looks really good. So either way, it's in. It looks really good. He's about to connect the battery back up right now.
Nice.
Alrighty, so good day.
Good day.
Got the new steering wheel in.
New steering wheel, quick release in. Super hard to turn, by the way. Feels like there's no power steering. My car is like wanting to die when we start it now, so.
I think it just cuts out of fuel.
My gas light is on.
Yeah.
I will give you that.
So, either way.
Exhaust is also off.
Exhaust is also off. Yes, I can't turn the camera because I'm on my phone, but we took the exhaust off. We didn't like it.
We only took the mufflers off. So there's still the mid pipe and then the Y pipe.
Which the Y pipe does have some resonators on it.
Yeah, so it sounds like a VQ again, but it's a weird VQ sound. I don't know. Maybe it's just me.
Yeah, but either way,
it's gonna be listed for sale if anyone wants it. It's gonna be the full system, obviously, not just the mufflers.
The full Y pipe and everything.
Yeah, so just let Gabe know if you guys want it. We'll end up taking the Y pipe and the mid pipe off for you.
If you guys stay towards the end of the video, please like, subscribe, hit the bell notification whenever we upload about this car or any future thing we got coming. You'll know and you'll be updated.
Might be making a purchase tomorrow.
Pretty much. So other than that, follow the Instagram to stay updated on a little bit more things, pretty much day-to-day things. Other than that, see you guys later.